How's it going with that girl?
It's been going great. Yeah, we've been talking.
How long?
Four now, yeah. 4 messages back and forth.
Okay, I'm looking through these and I'm noticing all 4 of them are you, and you've sent her money twice.
Love is an investment.
She hasn't even responded. How long ago did you send these?
It's been a month.
Maybe you want to diversify a little bit, you know? Message some other girls?
Oh, I have been. I've been messaging tons. Check it out.
Okay, yeah. No, I'm reading through these and wow, you're sending them all a lot of money.
Well, love is an investment.
That's not what they mean. $500 for, hey gorgeous, just hope you have a wonderful day today. What is this?
I'm trying to be the provider. What do you mean?
$250 for, please respond, I'm very sad right now.
I'm just being vulnerable. I mean,
$300 for, can you exchange these for quarters and meet me at the arcade?
so close to beating Pac-Man this time.
There's another $300 afterwards. After the arcade, maybe we can go out for dinner.
Waka, let me buy you food.
What is that?
It's flirting.
Okay, here's a different girl. $1,000 telling her to install a gargoyle on her roof.
We both expressed an interest in Gothic architecture.
I don't know, man. I just don't think sending money to these girls is gonna make them like you.
Yeah, but love is an investment.
It's not a... Did she just send you 1,500 back? Thank you for the gargoyle. Here's a little love plus interest, XO.
What did I tell you?
Okay, well, I am no longer a doubter. How can I be like you?
It all starts with a little love.
And this is for...
Waka.